Welcome back. In the previous module, we introduced 3 out of 5 principles of property investment. We'll continue to discuss the other 2 fundamental principles in this chapter. Now let's discuss the following principle of managing your doubts. It's important to have clarity before starting your investment venture, because without clarity, you won't be able to invest confidently and you'll be filled with uncertainty. In property investment, you need to have a clear purpose on why you are investing in the first place, rather than doing it aimlessly and wasting your time, energy, and resources. The final principle is to build immense and sustainable wealth. To be a successful and strategic property investor, you must have the ultimate goal of building immense and sustainable wealth, because if not, then what's the point? This is not a negative mindset to have, as it promotes a healthy competition amongst investors. However, the only problem associated with this is when greed takes over. That makes investors act irrationally and rash in their decisions. This brings us to the second term, sustainability, which brings balance when investors are in the pursuit of achieving immense wealth. We live in a world of duality, where there's good and there's bad, black and white, night and day. In property investment, we want to build immense wealth, and thus, we'll need to be responsible and think sustainability for ourselves and the market at large. Balance is of high importance. Sustainability in the property investment context means that the wealth that we build can be preserved and transcend generations. By being strategic in property investment, you are not only able to build immense wealth, but you're also able to sustain it and make it last for generations.